This is a game changer. Bridger concept is a B-segment car that delivers radical proportions. It combines extremely compact exterior dimensions with exceptional interior roominess. With a length under 4 meters, it delivers all at once generous knee room, a wide stance, and a 400-liter boot. The high driving position provides excellent front and rear visibility and a strong feeling of protection. It will come to market as a true multi-energy vehicle, including EV, with best-in-class efficiency. Bridger concept will be a key pillar of our global competitiveness, with India at the heart of its development. Designed as a powerful conquest tool for the B segment, it will start with India and quickly expand to other countries. And we are moving fast. Our goal is to begin production in India next year.